What's up, guys? Mac Daddy Michael just pulled up, and you know that truck's loaded. You know it's full of stuff, so let's go take a look and see what he's got. You guys, come on. Well, had a good week so far.
It's been a busy week.
Yeah.
4-day week, but it's been busy.
That's good. That's good. Well, I'm glad y'all come Saturday. I think everybody had a good time and really enjoyed the trucks being here.
It was a good time. We enjoyed it.
Bunch of them never seen a Mack truck before, so.
That's what they kept saying. That's what they kept saying.
So you was their first. Everybody always remembers their first.
Yeah.
What's he laughing at, dude? You remember your first? You don't never remember your second or your third. You always remember your first.
Yeah.
Always the first girl you held hands with is the one you remember.
And this is Bill's first Mack truck video.
Yeah, this is Bill's. It ain't his first time to be on this truck because he was on this truck before I was. But
my first official.
His first
Mack video.
official
That's
Mack
it.
video. And if y'all can't hear Bill very well, I only got 2 wireless mics, so Bill's kind of mute today. Well, I see you got something new sitting up here.
Yeah,
or something
we've had
hadn't
them out
seen.
for a while. I don't know if you've actually seen one of them yet or not. I got
haven't.
some more in. That's our Mack battery ratchet.
Well, it's got a little head on it, don't it?
It does.
I know there's a lot of people like in Milwaukee ratchets, but that's what I do not like about them.
They're
Them
really
heads
bulky,
are
especially if they're
enormous.
3/8.
Man, them things are gigantic. Yeah, I like the feel of that. It's got a good feel. And I like that it don't have that big old fat paddle, you know. Oh, this one you can control the speed by how hard you push it too. That's a plus.
Versus you hit it and it's wide open.
Yep, I like that. And all of those 12-volt batteries will work in it too, right? That's a good thing. So what's the, what'd you say it was?
Got 40 foot-pounds
of torque.
Yep.
Not bad at all. That's a nice little old ratchet though. I like the size of it a lot.
It's real slender is what's nice about it.
Yeah. That's nice. I'm still hooked on that little bitty tiny screw gun that y'all got.
Yeah, it's nice.
Since you hadn't seen it, Bill, you need to feel of this thing and feel how heavy it is.
It's real heavy.
Good Lord.
You don't even know you got it in your hand, really.
Oh,
It's like holding an empty plastic case, ain't it?
that is pretty cool.
Like you would think it would be a demo with no guts in it, you know, because it's so light. That thing is crazy. That's nice, ain't it?
That is.
I like the light on it too.
Very compact, and it's got
The
a...
light is like brighter than some of the others.
I don't think you've seen the impact with a light on it, have you? The
Not the Mack.
air impact. It's got a battery light on it. It's rechargeable.
That's crazy.
Because, you know, that's like one of the best things about having a battery impact
Is having the light.
having the light.
But it's got the removable, detachable, rechargeable lighted head on it.
But when you pull the trigger,
It comes on.
the light comes on.
I gotta charge it back up. Everybody's been
And then
playing
would you
with
say it stays off 10 seconds after you let off the trigger?
After you let off the trigger, it'd go off in 10. I believe it's 10 seconds.
I like the direction changer on it too, because you don't have to worry about it accidentally flipping on you.
So you got some catching up to do because you hadn't even seen the little baby impact either. And it's, what, 700 foot-pounds?
635, 625.
I'm gonna have to get off here. I'm gonna be trading stuff in.
Wait till you feel
That's
this
the
little
stubby
thing.
one. 625, 635.
That's crazy.
Hold it in the palm of your hand where you can see how little it is.
I'd have to dig the box back out and check it again.
It's
but
tiny,
pretty close to
That
that.
is crazy. Well,
I like that little dude.
many times I could have used something like that.
I like that little fella. So everybody's asking, where's Bill? Where's Bill? Where's Bill? Where's Bill?
Bill is
You
here.
know, Michael was saying Saturday he was going to take a picture of me and mount it on his truck. So.
Get one of the little magnets, you know, and then we can stick it to a toolbox or stick it to the wall and play Where's Waldo, but it'll be Where's Bill.
That's it. Where's Bill? Where's Bill? You haven't seen this box in person either, have you?
Mm-mm.
Let me show you something cool about it. You see it?
That is cool.
Metal plate. And the wrap is a magnet. You can just peel it off. And if you get tired of it, or you can rewrap it, like if you wanted to put your little girl's picture on there, you can take that wrap, have her picture put on it, stick it back on your drawer. It's a really good idea.
Have you looked at these yet?
Yes, I seen that one that was
in the
next
flyer?
yeah.
With the changeable heads, 1/4 to 3/8.
It's really cool.
That's nice.
You just pull it out. It comes with a second anvil you put in it. It can be a 1/4 or 3/8.
Guys, I'm going to give you a little hint. Sunday, we're going to drop the new Mac Flyer video, and it's got a really good sale. If you're looking for a multimeter with an amp clamp, and probably one of the best test lead kits you've ever laid eyes on, be sure to watch that video Sunday, because you'll want to go ahead and call your Mac guy before they sell out, because they're going to sell out. That's a good deal on
it.
It
is.
too. A
It's gonna
really
go
good
quick.
deal. I got to give it to Mac. Y'all have better sales than any other tow truck.
Usually we do.
Like that multimeter kit is nice. I paid, I think it was like $4 something for my snap-on, and then the Bluetooth snap-on, it was right at $8.
Oh, wow.
Just for the meter, nothing else, you know. So what y'all got this time it's a good one, a real good one. I want you to check on that test lead kit too, because I want one of those. That thing is fine. I know that radio that y'all had set up Saturday.
It's right there by Bill.
That was a jamming little box,
My
man.
wife was eyeballing that.
That thing was cool.
It's radio and Bluetooth. So many of your speakers now are just Bluetooth, but that's
Mhm.
radio and Bluetooth. And it will jam. It's got like subwoofers in it. And
That thing was
it's pretty cool.
I like the one that, I think it was the Mac version that he had set up too, that had the toolbox where you could lock the box on top of it, where you could pick the box and radio and all of it. That was a cool little deal. Really cool. Did you see I guess y'all still got some of them test lead kits, didn't you?
We do.
They've got the 12-volt test light and that magnet.
Yeah, I
The
saw.
test light and
For $56.99, I think it is,
Yeah.
for a 30-foot magnetic lead and the test light.
And if you lay the lead set on top of a socket set, it will pick your sockets up.
Y'all had to run somebody down
We
to
did.
get sockets out.
I was like, wait, where's those sockets at?
Yeah, I was going to say Saturday I know at least 2 people walking off the truck with those.
Well, his first trip up here, everybody that got on the truck, me, Jason, and Brent all bought one, and then Matthew bought one. Called me, he's like, hey, pick me up one of them. I'm like, okay, that's a great deal, man. Can't beat that for $56. I do like that battery ratchet though. That's a really nice ratchet. I like that slim head's what I like about it. And I tell you another thing, a lot of people may not like it, but I like the fact that if my battery goes bad, you can get DeWalt. Everybody's got DeWalt batteries. Like even a buddy would loan you one if you was in a pinch, you know. But now, from what I've read, everybody says all Macs the same as DeWalt. But that's not true, because all the red is chemical resistant.
It's all chemical resistant, and the ratings on it are all completely different than DeWalt's compounds. Mac's tools are made for automotive, oil, grease, chemical compound. You know,
that was another thing. It's talking about the air vents, you know, because most DeWalt stuff's made for construction.
Right.
And it kept the oil and grease from getting in it as bad. And also, most construction stuff is not made to take stuff off, it's made to put it on. So they have more tightening, but not very much loosening power. And in automotive, it's just the opposite. So for all those people that think that, they're wrong. Because I did some research on it, you know, because everybody kept saying that. I thought, well, maybe there's something to that. And after I got to digging into it, that's what I found out.
Yeah.
And of course, Mr. Wilson confirmed it. And You did too. So.
Even at our show one year, they had a Mac battery and a DeWalt battery, and they were just sitting, you know, therefore you could show your customers, you know, take pictures or videos of it, show your customers the difference, and soaking in like petroleum-based stuff.
Yeah.
And how the chemical would break down the different compounds.
Well, I believe it because, man, I've got all my rubber on some of my older Snap-on stuff. It's just like, I guess brake cleaner is what does it. You know, it sort of
brake cleaner is really hard on some of that stuff.
Looks kind of rough.
Gets spongy and.
Yep. Well, what you done found, Bill?
I haven't found anything yet. I see a lot of goodies. A lot.
Yeah, he's got a lot of goodies. A whole lot of goodies. More than I can think of. Those little screwdrivers you showed last week, the straight ones, you got any more of them? I think Brent bought a pair of them from you.
I believe I do.
And he was saying something about like the red ones was the most expensive ones, and the green was the cheapest,
I've
and
never
orange
noticed
was
that.
more.
He
I'm
said
like,
he
what
was
is
looking at
that?
them online and said the colors were a different price range. I've never actually paid any attention to that.
I was like, well, I guess whatever makes them happy.
Well, I sold a couple packs of them this weekend. I may not have enough set on.
Sold them. I know you got so much inventory, it'd be hard to keep up with where everything is.
That's
I'd
the
have to
hard
have
part.
cheat sheets.
Well, then you stock the truck, you know where it's at, and after everybody looks a couple days, it's in a different place
That's
from
what
where
I
you had it.
If everybody wouldn't move stuff, it'd be a lot easier, wouldn't it?
I guess I need to get some more of those ordered. I thought I had
I'd
some
like
more
to
back here.
have a set of them. They're pretty nice.
Yeah, one was straight, one was curved.
Mm-hmm.
That's a curved one right there. But
Well, we can get them next week. Ain't no big deal. I ain't
Yeah.
gonna have them today, no way. But I seen them and I liked them. I said, well, shoot, I want them.
yeah, they're a neat deal because I mean they're actually, you know, they're not just a screwdriver; they're actual pry bars. So
Yeah, they're nice.
yeah, we'll have to get some more of them in.
Do you have any of those test leads?
The ones that are coming up in the flyer,
Mm-hmm.
don't believe I
think
do.
they're ET90502, I think, or 92, something like that. That looks like it right there.
That's it.
Yeah. Them things right there are awesome. Like, that's a really good test lead set right there. And you get them free. Like these right here have the back probes already on them, and they plug directly into your regular leads. And what's cool is it's got the wire piercing ones.
Yeah, slide them out there.
So all you got to do is put your wire in there. You pull. Maybe this one's locked. I think it is locked. I gotta figure out how to get it unlocked.
Oh, just pull back on it.
Okay. So you pull this back,
And the hook comes in from the top, actually.
and it pokes right down in the wire, like in the, you know, the rubber part of the wire, and you can test it, and it'll hold it on the wire. Like, this is the most valuable tool in that kit, in my opinion, because it's real easy to fix that right there back with some liquid electrical tape when you get done. So that is an awesome set, and that actually comes with the amp clamp and the multimeter in this next flyer, and it's a tremendous deal. But that's some strong springs and implants.
They are. And then they got some decent length to the
I
leads
think they're
as
4
well.
foot, wasn't it?
Something like that. I believe so.
And they ain't cheapies either. I mean, them was pretty thick. I think it was 4 millimeters what it said. So pretty nice little kit right there. Unless that thing's just crazy expensive, I'm gonna leave with that today, because I like it. I seen that in that flyer deal though, and I was looking, I was like, ooh, that's a nice lead set right
It
there.
is.
I could use that. because you know it's always a pain to try to hold a wire and then
try to probe at
the same time. Or if you're back pinning something like mine, my back probe set that I have, it's just the little tips that slide on the end of my multimeter, the factory prong,
right?
What do you call it, post or whatever. They don't actually screw on. So you'll put it on there, and if it moves any, it'll pull out. And I'm like, you know, you get frustrated anyway messing with electrical stuff.
That's one thing I hate is electrical.
If you're not a cussing man, you use them very long, it'll come back to you. Kind of like a little boy cranking that lawnmower, ain't it, Bill?
That's right.
It'll come back to you real quick. Guaranteed. Well, man, y'all got so much stuff on there. I've been on this truck several times, and I still ain't seen everything.
There's a lot in here.
That's a whole lot in here. A whole lot in this truck. But those are nice too. I still think the best deal though is on that magnetic tray kit. And that's a deal on that.
A 4 mag, a 3 mag, 2 2s, 2 1s, and a nut cup.
For like $110 or something?
I believe so.
Cheap. All right, guys. Like always, we're gonna check the price of these. I'm probably gonna end up getting them. Check them links down in the description. Be watching for this super awesome flyer video Sunday. If you want some merchandise, right there's the link. Hit the thumbs up and click that subscribe button. You guys have a great week, and we will catch y'all next time. See ya.